Hi there, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I wanted to show you 3 of the trees that we just got in stock. These are 6 feet tall, and we're calling them all dogwood, even though the flowers are a little bit different on them. They're really pretty. This is item number 167025. This is 167078, and this one is 167073. Every one of the branches on these trees is bendable, so you can shape it however you'd like. If you'd like to have more of a willowy look, you can do that. If you like the way that we have them standing up tall here, you can do that. One of the features that we love about these, first of all, we have them in a bunch of different sizes. So if you like these, but you want a giant tree, you want something way fuller, 10 times as many flowers, big thick trunk, we have those too. But these are in the $110 range, somewhere around there. So kind of a more affordable option for those of you who want to buy a bunch of them, or you'd like to mix bigger trees and smaller trees, you can certainly do that. You can mix and match. They look wonderful together. Right now I'm looking around the studio and there are 50 trees, and it's so beautiful. It looks like a wonderland. So I wouldn't get too stuck on worrying about colors. Mix and match them. Mix and match the styles. They look fabulous together. Short, tall, bigger, thicker, thinner. This one here too, this style, the 6 feet tall, the $110 range, this is a very thin trunk. You put this on the tabletop and you could have, you know, maybe candles with LEDs inside of them hanging from this if you'd like to, but you can see clear across the table to your guests. So nice thin trunk. They are wonderful. If you have any questions about any other products that we carry, if you want to see a video made, if you don't quite get something, please give us a call. We're always happy to help. Thank you.